Hello everyone, welcome back. This is LV Prasad. Today we will discuss about how can we avoid these timed out getting printed in the console. So when we use the Chrome browser of 81 or the 80 version, it is observed that we are seeing that the timed out is getting printed in the console whenever we execute the automation suite. So there is a possibility to avoid it by using any event provided by driver, and let's see how to use it. So wherever you are initializing the browser, on top of that, you write this line of a statement. The event name is silent output event. We are enabling that, which is true for the browser of a WebDriver. So you can write this line of a statement if you use a WebDriver manager, or if you use a traditional way of system set property of the type of the driver and the path of the driver exe. So even in that case also you can use this a system set property to enable to disable the silent output thing. So once you enable this silent output, so they execute the automation suite, and now it should not get printed the timed out events. So let's see, it launched the browser and it is executing this scenario. Yeah, so scenario execution is completed. One scenario completed, this which is of this test both are passed, and we didn't see that timed out events, right? So this is how we can disable the timed out getting printed in the console. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your time.